Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I have an amazing application which can help you to make your old phone a CCTV camera. Yes, you don't need to buy any expensive product, you don't need to spend any money on any product. Simply you have to make some setting and install an application and your old phone will become a CCTV camera and you can able to use it. I'm gonna tell you every single step in this video. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to do one thing. You have to install an application in your old phone, that is IP webcam. Yes, this is an amazing application. This application already have more than 10 million downloads here, and simply just open it and I'm gonna tell you how this application properly work. Now first of all, you will be reaching on this page when you open this application here, and what exactly you need to do, the first thing you have to click on this video preference. Click on this one and allow all the permission to this application, and then you have to just go on the bottom here. You will be getting an option of start server. You have to just simply click on this one here and it will start your phone camera immediately. Just allow some permission and your phone camera is automatically get started. So right now my phone camera is open right now, and here I have to make some settings. So first of all, I have to click on this action, and then I have to click on this share IP, and then I will be getting some options on the bottom. I will be clicking on this Gmail. After that, I have to share this IP address, one of my email address. This thing you have to do on your old phone, and then you have to send this email to any of your email, and then you will automatically come back to the same phone camera which were open before. And then you have to just click again on this action part and then click on this run in the background. That's it. And then your work is done on this application. This application will be automatically get stopped in your old phone. Now you have to just go back to your email where you have sent that IP address. Let me just take you to the email address where we have received the email. So this is the IP address which I have received here in my email. I open it and it will be open up like this. This is the control panel which you will be getting of your old phone, because your old phone is right now become a CCTV camera, and you can place that old phone at your office or at your home, any of the place which you want to monitor, and then you can able to control everything from here as well. You can able to see the video and check the photos as well. For that, what you need to do, you have to just click on this JavaScript here, and the moment you do that, you will start watching the video of your old phone. This is being taken from your old phone because that phone is working like a CCTV camera. Click on this take photo. The moment you click on this one, it will automatically take the photo of that video as well. So this is an amazing thing, and not only this, you will be getting so many options as well. Like you can able to record the video recording as well by clicking on this red icon, and on the bottom you can also zoom the video recording and screen quality and so many of things. You can able to do that. You can also change the phone camera front to back and back to front as well, just by clicking on this one. This feature, the motion detector, is also one of the best option. Whenever anything comes just right in front of your CCTV camera, it will give you an alert on your control panel. So this is an amazing application which will be absolutely free for you, which help you to make your old phone a CCTV camera, and you can able to control it from any part of the country. Just you have to have the internet in your phone, and then you can able to use it. Try this application to make your old phone a CCTV camera. I will be putting the link in the description. Any question related to this, you can simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.